Hello everybody, I'm just testing out this setup here. I have an what do I have? I have a iPad on top of a box pointing down at a page on the table, and the PC should be receiving this. The PC should be receiving this. So I'm just going to do a Pythagoras theorem, or a Pythagoras question as an example. We have a right angle triangle, side 3, side 4. Find the length of side x. X equals what, right? So you just go by Pythagoras' famous theorem. The square of the length of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So we have 9 plus 16. So x squared equals 25. X equals 5. So recording this on Screencast-O-Matic, and I just have the iPad pointing down at the page, etc. Let's see if this works.